Well, g'day, my name's Stuart Chignell, although I think everyone watching this video would already know that because this is a video I would imagine is going to my subscribers. I can't imagine anyone's just coming along this randomly. But if you have, welcome, and I hope you stick around. Today, I've got another box of tools and toys from Japan. It's been a bit of a lull since Christmas, but this is the first box of the year, and I am seriously looking forward to what's in it. There's some stuff for the prospecting things I do. There's also some excellent tools and some other bits and bobs, which I really can't remember everything that's in here because it was, a while ago. Alright. Now, we've got Happy, our parrot, talking over there. Right, well, first things first. Now these are a Japanese brush, and far out, they're chunky. Look at how thick that is. My finger there. That is a serious brush. It's a bit dusty. Oh, and it's losing its hair. That's not so good. It's losing its hair because it looks like an insect's chewed on it. Oh, I hope that's not a problem for quarantine. Cool, lots of these. Wow, it's so thick. First time I've got Japanese brushes, so I'm surprised. Lots of different sizes. That's the last of the brushes. Oh no, there's another one. Oh, another one. That doesn't look good. So I'll leave that until later. I've got a chisel or something to open it with. Oh! Okay, what do we have here? Oh, that's hilarious. There's this mythology about Japanese craftsmanship that it's just so exceptional. And there's some truly amazing Japanese work that's done, like amazing stuff. But on a regular basis, I am I'm getting in examples of where they've just like you or I would do. Well, like I would do. Maybe you a bit more of a perfectionist. They've just done what works. This knife in the marking gauge. It's a piece of saw blade which has been broken off and put in there as the marking knife. It works. It's got a good steel on a saw blade, so it's going to cut well as long as it's sharpened, I guess. I'll market that as a World War II vintage marking gauge when times were tough and they had to be frugal. Well, I was about to say that's actually a forged blade, but the other one, check this out. It's two nails that have been hammered through the wood, bent over, and then filed to a point. Talk about dodge. Oh no, open that now. It's in my hand. These are that's gorgeous. Little Japanese folding knife. I've got one of these somewhere, but I haven't been able to find it for quite some time. Marking knife. That's nice. That's very nice. Okay, and now that I've got a decent Sharpie thing, I'll open this. I've got no idea what this is. Oh! Fancy that. That is a type of the traditional Japanese spear plane. The problem for me is going to be though, is it's I think it's right-handed. But that's fabulous. I'm going to have to restore that and use it on the gold pans, which I've got to finish off yet. That is cool. I'd forgotten about that. Completely forgotten I've got that. You realise you're going to be probably on camera?
Crop it.
No, I'm not copying my quality video footage.
Alright.
Don't put that there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm not allowed to get grumpy on TV.
I can get grumpy on TV because I can, on film because I can edit it. Just cut it out. So that will not save you from my wrath. Realise you're still in shot there.
Which camera?
Go for it.
How wide is it?
Very. See that little love, that big comfy couch up there? Always such a beautiful sight. The couch, yeah, not so much, but hey, it's free. Oh, look at this. Oh geez, this is a keeper probably. Damn. I'm not even sure that's been used. Ooh, this has the look of... I remember that this box has quite a few knives in it, but this might not be them. What the hell? Oh no. Oh, no! Oh! I know what this is. I know what this is. Far out the weight in that. Okay, that's not what I thought it was. But, you know, cool. Damn. Damn. Thought I'd give that a go as a scratching tool for digging out crevices and stuff. I reckon that'll be very handy. I need to hammer this rivet a bit more so that blade's a bit stiffer. Oh yeah. Gorgeous. Hammer heads. Oh yeah, now these are hinges. Just very simple forged hinge. Wrought iron, 2-piece. Very, very simple. Very, very basic workmanship. And it's very rough. If you look at the finish on them, it's very rough. The hammer marks are very rough. They're not very symmetrical. These are cheap. You know, for the amount of work it would take me to do to make them. But I sort of was checking them out to see if they'd be a good hinge style for the beehives you'd be making, like those ones down there. Some more chisels in this set. Okay, gonna have to hide this from Sarah. That is a very nice knife.
Hiding from?
That's gorgeous. Japanese fish knife. That is fabulous. Look at the thickness of the steel. It's a vintage vegetable knife. Much thinner. Chunky handle. Wow, that looks old. Okay, this is a Japanese filleting knife for fish or sashimi. Relatively small fish because it's a small knife, obviously. But very flat, slight curve to the blade. I don't have one of these. Well, I do now, but I don't have fish anymore. I used to have an aquaponics system where we'd raise around 400 kilos of fish per year for ourselves and a family, and that's where I was doing the research on aquaponics in that system. Yeah, so we always had fish. Whenever I wanted to go have some fish, I'd just go down to the tank and grab me one. That's a double beveled. That's a double beveled Japanese knife. I didn't know they made double traditional. That means I can use it. Basically all old Japanese knives, they're all right-handed, but this is double beveled. Right, that is probably a keeper. Whereas this, it's a very nice knife, copper ferrule rather than buffalo, but still very nice knife, but it's a single bevel. These on the other hand, Sarah, don't look at these. Now go away. Go away. This is stock. It's got to be sold.
Show me. They're lovely, aren't they?
Yeah. Well, I was just getting these knives ready for the pretty shot, and the corner, the back corner, just nicked my hand. So look, they're not razor sharp, but they're sharp. I barely felt that. In fact, I didn't feel it. Didn't hurt. In fact, it doesn't hurt now. I just felt the pull as it dug into my hand. It's a very nice knife.
Hey, guess what?
What?
It's our wedding anniversary tomorrow. Have you got me a present?
Oh, crap. I mean, of course, dear. I timed the arrival of this box perfectly.
Cool. So how many do I get to keep?
Yeah, we'll see.
All of them.
These are all the same sort of knives. These are all chef's knives.
Oh. I like this one too.
Well, this one here is smaller than your other fish knife.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah, you've already got a fish knife.
Yeah, I'll swap it for this one.
Because you haven't even picked your fish knife up in I don't know how long.
I haven't had any fish. Also, it's a matter of having, you see, you need to make me somewhere to keep them so that I can use them. Because otherwise you get cross because the tips, they get damaged.
Yeah, I spent all this time sharpening and then they just get dropped on the sink, and then you go, oh, my knives are blunt. Well, yeah, of course your knives are blunt because you just dropped them on the sink.
Yeah, well, you need to make me somewhere to keep them.
I bought you that knife block.
It doesn't all fit in there.
Okay, well, they're gorgeous. Thought you made those for me.
Yeah, I did. They're really good.
Yeah, they are really good. There's a hell of a lot of ginger in there. Oh, Sarah.
Yeah?
Yeah, just stay over there. Holy cow. Oh, the weight of that. You were talking about the knives being light. Check this one out. That's bigger than your other one.
Oh. Yeah, that's a bit heavier, isn't it?
It's like they're chopping off fish heads and stuff. You know, getting through the backbone. It's got some weight.
Shaving.
We can do that. I can sharpen it up to shave. You won't shave with that.
No, it's blunt.
Yeah, but well, it's when I say it's blunt. Well, she says it's blunt. It's not blunt. No, it's not blunt. It's just you're not going to shave with it. So if I sharpen you up one of your kitchen knives, you'll shave me with it?
Yeah, it was easier to handle than the axe.
Not sure. I'm not sure that's true. Oh no, this is what I thought I had out before. Okay. Japanese slick. Someone's banged on the end of it. Grr, shouldn't do that. Okay. Now these are a new knife. Unsold stock. Shiny. Okay. Quality knife. Very well used. You can see from the shape of the blade it's been sharpened and sharpened and sharpened and sharpened. It's lost the point. Okay. That's not why I'm laughing. Okay. Also, traditional buffalo horn. Ferrule. But the electrical tape on the handle. Who does that? It's just wrong. Hey, lovely little bag. And then wrapped in cloth. I think it's the hammers. That is chunky. Soundproof studio would be handy for doing this. Well, at least be less distractions. Chunky hammer. Nice. Okay, now we're getting some serious. That's a serious hammer. Another little carpenter's. Handle's was a bit loose, not now. I was once at a wood show, and there was this guy waxing lyrical about Japanese tools and craftsmanship and blah blah blah. And he was talking about some Western tools that he bought on eBay, and saying, and you know, and they got it with an axe, and they whacked nails in the end of it. And you go to a garage sale and you see hammers, and they got just nails knocked into the end of the hammer to hold them together. You'd never catch a Japanese person doing that, because they have a sense of refinement about what is decent and how to treat tools properly. Yeah. Not the worst I've seen. The worst I've seen was a tech screw jammed down the one. That was pretty dodgy. Geez, that's a keeper. I like that. Not sure if you've been watching the videos on the medieval prospecting series I've been doing, but as part of that we're going to be doing some iron smelting, and for that I'm going to need some big hammers to hammer the balloon. A box of saw blades. So we're getting to some exciting stuff now. Now I've got a customer that is after a very fine Catawba crosscut saw. So this is a Catawba saw. Oh, I'd forgotten about that. In fact, it's a lot. I thought it was a lot bigger, but that's a serious crosscut saw. So, Adam, is that going to be fine enough for you? I'm not sure if that's. When you said fine crosscut, is that too big? Yeah. Okay, now we're getting into some big things. Okay, first off we have train. Oh, that is rather pretty. It's been a bit brutalised by someone with a grinder by the look of it. But it's still in good nick. Head sound, that's good. Yeah, but guess what that's for? Yeah, no, this is it. This is the last one. Check that out. Now, does that not look like some of the pictures out of the D-Reed Metallica? So again, this is the thing that attracted me to Japanese tools in the first place. I wanted a Viking axe. I couldn't afford a reproduction, which was going to be like $600, $700. So I found someone who was selling some Japanese axes, and I bought one for 120, I think it was. And that was the opening of a door to a very deep rabbit hole. So that's going into my prospecting kit, and I'm going to see. I know there's a place that I wanted to dig out to sample, and I just couldn't get to it because I didn't have a pick. So we might do that later today. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Now, like in any of my videos, if you see a hand tool that I'm using that you would like one of, then I can probably get it for you. I'm currently bringing stuff mostly in from Japan, well, entirely in from Japan at the moment, but I'm looking to start again to import stuff from Europe. But to do that, I've got to get a certain amount of cash together so that I can buy a whole stack of things at once, have it all packaged up into a box, and then all sent out at once. And that's a fair, you need a fair whack of cash to do that. Once you do it the first time, well, then you can just turn things over. But at the moment, I don't have enough from the Japanese sales to fund expanding back into Europe. However, if there are some European tools that you would like for example, I've spoken to a couple of people about some people wanting some bowl ads, some draw knives, what was the else? Stuff, right? I can get in touch with my guys in Europe. They can send me photos of what they have, pass those on to you. You say, yes, I can do that. I would like that. I'm willing to pay this much. And then based on that figure, if we can do a deal between you, them, and me, then we can get it for you. And that can be a much more economical way of you getting tools than, say, going on to eBay and buying something directly from Europe yourself, because the postage of you getting it sent out is going to be horrendous. And also I can get, like, because of the guys I've got in France and Germany in particular, I can get some pretty good deals on stuff. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to I think get out to the forest and put these picks to work, because there's a sample of there's a bank of really hard compacted gravels that I tried to put my shovel in the other day that's been exposed by the movement of the creek, and could be some really nice gold in there, because it doesn't look like anyone else's dugout. When I say anyone, I'm talking anyone. Old timers, it looks like a big pocket of gravel that the old timers have missed. And that means there could be a huge amount of gold in it. There is a huge amount of gravel in it. There could be a huge amount of gold in it. In which case, it'll pay for the pick. So have fun, see you online, and catch you in the next video. So the last thing I have to show you is my weapon collection. It's pretty cool. There's a whole stack more I couldn't fit in. And I've already had the boy coming saying, can I have those? Can I have those? Haven't you, Alan? These are for the kids.
I meant one.
Just, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't be satisfied with just one.
I actually meant two.
You meant two? You sure you meant two?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Which ones do you want?
I do.
Yeah, well, I think this is going to take some time.